Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Sugar Engineering. I hope you are doing great. Today we will discuss about a topic how to select pipe schedule number. It is very challenging for our engineers to select right pipe schedule number. So in our video we will cover what is pipe schedule number, how they are calculated and how to select right pipe schedule number. So let's start our video. Now discuss what is pipe schedule number. A pipe schedule number is the standard method to define the thickness of pipes in process industries. पाइप शेड्यूल नंबर एक स्टैंडर्ड नंबर है जो कि क्लासिफाई करता है कि पाइप्स की कितनी थिकनेस होनी चाहिए। जैसे कि हमारे पास शेड्यूल नंबर SCH40 है, शेड्यूल 80 है, शेड्यूल 100 है। तो इसमें हमारी स्टैंडर्ड थिकनेस दी गई है चार्ट में। अब उतनी जैसे शेड्यूल 40 का हम पाइप्स लेंगे उसमें मान लिया 3 mm है, शेड्यूल 80 में 4 mm है, शेड्यूल 100 में 6 mm है। तो ऐसे की चार्ट में हमें दी हुई रहती है। तो सिंपली हमें क्या पता चलता है कि पाइप शेड्यूल नंबर डिटरमाइंस पाइप थिकनेस। वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस यूजिंग ए चार्ट। अब हम चार्ट ओपन करेंगे। ये पाइप शेड्यूल का चार्ट बनाया हुआ है। जैसा कि इस लाइन में हमारे पाइप शेड्यूल्स नंबर लिखे हुए हैं सभी के, जैसे शेड्यूल 20, शेड्यूल 30, शेड्यूल 40। और इस लाइन में हमारी पाइप्स की डायमेंशंस लिखी हुई हैं। जैसे कि हमारा पाइपलाइन 450 mm का ही mm में लिखी हुई है। यहाँ पे पाइप का ओडी दिया हुआ है। और एग्जाम्पल के लिए हम देखते हैं कि अगर हमारा 450 mm का अगर हमारा हमारा पाइप है तो शेड्यूल 10 में इसकी थिकनेस होगी 6.35, शेड्यूल 20 में उसकी थिकनेस होगी 7.92, शेड्यूल 30 में होगी 11.13 और शेड्यूल 40 में होगी इसकी थिकनेस 14.27। जैसा कि हमारा शेड्यूल नंबर बढ़ रहा है हमारी थिकनेस बढ़ रही है। सिमिलरली इंचेस में है। जैसा कि यहाँ पे शेड्यूल नंबर दे रखे हैं ऊपर और साइड में हमारा पाइप का साइज दे रखा है। सिमिलरली जैसा कि हम मेंशन करते हैं कि 5 इंची हम पाइप लेते हैं, शेड्यूल 10 में इसकी थिकनेस 0.134 इंचेस है, शेड्यूल 40 में 0.258 इंचेस है, वहीं शेड्यूल 80 में 0.35 इंचेस है। जैसे जैसे हम शेड्यूल नंबर बढ़ा रहे हैं वैसे वैसे हमारी थिकनेस बढ़ रही है। आई होप यू हैव क्लियरली अंडरस्टूड दिस व्हाट इज शेड्यूल नंबर। Also, you can take the screenshot of this chart or you can contact at our email ID and we will send you this chart on your email ID. So don't be panic. We are here to support you. Now, if we discuss the schedule number formula, then schedule number is equal to 1000 into P upon S. Here, P is the service pressure and S is the allowable stress. Both units should be same. It may be in PSI or it may be in kg per centimeter square. Now we will discuss how to select pipe schedule. अब हमें पता कैसे चले कि शेड्यूल 40 लेना है, 60 लेना है या 80 ही लेना है। तो generally for the MS pipelines we consider the three factors. The first is the internal pressure. Internal pressure can be defined as our working pressure कि we are using water or we are using any fluid of 12 kg per centimeter square in 200 kg per centimeter, that is the internal pressure. Second one is rusting or corrosion allowance and the last one is the service factor. Now the first step is use Warlow's formula to determine the minimum thickness. Here T is equal to P into D upon 2 into S into F plus 2P. Here T is the minimum wall thickness in mm, P is the internal pressure in kg per centimeter square, D is the outer diameter of the pipeline in mm. S is the allowable stress. It is generally from 980 to 1160 kg per centimeter square for MS pipelines. F is the weld joint efficiency. It varies from 0.65 to 0.85. The second step is add corrosion allowance. The pipelines generally corrode over the time, so we allows to have corrosion allowance for water pipelines is 1.5 mm for mild exposures, 3 mm for moderate exposures, 5 and more for severe conditions. The last step or the third step is apply a safety factor. The safety factor generally ensures the reliability of the equipment. We take the safety factor of 1.5 for the standard pipelines and 2 for the critical applications. Now let's discuss all these steps with an example. Our first example is calculate and select the pipe schedule for a 12-inch MS pipeline working at a pressure of 12 kg per centimeter square. Also, consider the rusting tolerance and welding joint efficiency is 0.5. First, we will write the given data. Here, the pressure that is given, that is 12 kg per centimeter square. The size of the MS pipeline is given, that is 12 inch. For the 12 inch, first we will see what will be the outer diameter of the MS pipelines. To see the outer diameter, we will open our chart. This is the chart of MS pipeline and we will go to 12 inch. Here the size is 12 inch and the outer diameter is 12.75. We will convert this 12.75 into mm. 12.75 into 25.4, that will equal to 323.8 mm. Also in the chart of mm, we can see that the 12-inch pipeline is equal to 300 mm, as this is shown 300 mm, and the OD, this is the outer diameter line, the OD of MS pipeline will be 323.8 mm. So we will write into our presentation the outer diameter we have mentioned 323.8 mm. The allowable stress for MS pipelines is equal to 980 kg per centimeter square. It is mentioned that welding efficiency is equal to 0.85, that is F. Rusting tolerance is equal to 3 mm for moderate applications as we have discussed earlier. So first we will write our step first. We will calculate the minimum thickness T. T is equal to P into D upon 2 into SF plus 2P. Here P is the given pressure, D is equal to outer diameter of the pipeline, S is equal to allowable stress for MS pipeline, F is the welding efficiency. So on putting the values, the pressure P 12 kg per centimeter square, outer diameter of the pipe 323.8 mm, 2 into 980, that is the allowable stress, into 0.85, that is the welding efficiency, plus 2 into P, that is the 12 kg per centimeter square. Here we will get the thickness of 2.44 mm. This is the minimum thickness. Now the second step. In second step, we add the corrosion allowance 1.5 for mild exposure, 3 mm for moderate exposure, and 5 or more for severe conditions. Here, we will consider the 3 mm as moderate exposure. Then T is equal to 2.44 mm, that is the minimum thickness plus 3 mm. Now we get the value of T is equal to 5.44 mm. Our third or last step was apply a safety factor. For the safety factor, we are having 1.5 for standard pipelines and 2 for critical applications. We will apply for standard pipelines now. T is equal to 5.44, that we get from here, and 1.5, this is the safety factor. In final, we get a value of T is equal to 8.16 mm. Hence, we are required a MS pipeline of 8.16 mm. Now we get a final value T is equal to 8.16 mm. Now we will compare this value with our standard chart schedule. Let's open our chart. This is chart in mm. So let's open of 12 inches or 300 mm. For the schedule number of 10, we are having a thickness 4.57 mm. For Schedule 20, 6.35 mm. For Schedule 30, 8.38 mm. For Schedule 40, 10.31 mm. And for Schedule 60, it is 14.27. Now we have written all the values. For Schedule 10, 4.57 mm. For Schedule 20, 6.35 mm. Schedule 30, 8.38 mm. Schedule 40, 10.31 mm. And for Schedule 60, 14.28 mm. We were having a value of t is equal to 8.16 mm. So Schedule 10 pipeline is very thin, so we will not consider it. 6.35 is also lower than 8.16. 8.38, it is the safe choice. We may choose Schedule 30 pipeline, and also for the strong choice, we are having a pipeline of the Schedule 40 having a thickness of 10.31. This is the strong choice. For long reliability, we can choose Schedule 40, and generally we will choose Schedule 30 pipeline. I hope you have clearly understood our example. If you have any query, you can ask us in comment section. This is the second question and you have to answer it in our comment section. The question is calculate and select the pipe schedule for 8-inch MS pipe working at a pressure of 45 kg per centimeter square. Also consider the rusting tolerance and welding joint efficiency is 0.75. Here, for the 8-inch MS pipeline, we will take the OD from our standard chart. Also, the pressure P is given 45 kg per centimeter square, and the welding joint efficiency is 0.75. So, F is equal to 0.75. By using all the three steps, you have to calculate the pipe schedule number and answer it in comment section. For pipe schedule chart in PDF document, you can contact us on our email ID is sugarengineering.nsi@gmail.com. If you like our video, then like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video.